Okay, so how do I figure out the perimeter and area of this shape? Well, the perimeter is pretty easy. Aitchen told us that when she measured from here to here, we had 2.5 centimeters. So the perimeter, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is simply 6 sides times 2.5 centimeters. Now, I don't like centimeters. I'm just going to pretend that's a 25. 4 times 25 is 100. 2 times 50, 2 times 25 is 50, so that's 150 centimeters. Well, it's not quite because I got to put my decimal back in. So that's 15 centimeters. Perimeter is pretty easy. Area gets a little bit trickier. It's not such a straightforward shape. But what I can see is I can see that there's a bit of a square in here. And I have one of the sides already, 2.5. And we learned from Aitchen's measurements that this side here was 4.5. So the perimeter of the inside box is going to be pretty straightforward. The area is going to be pretty straightforward. It's going to be 2.5 times 4.5. And we can figure that out pretty straightforward. All right, and so we get 11.25 centimeters squared for this inside box. But now what do we do with these outside ones? Well, we know what this distance here across is. We don't know what this is, but we do know what the middle part is. So if that distance is 4.5 centimeters, and we take away what we know this is, which is 2.5, we're left with 2 centimeters. And we know that this side here is going to be equal to this side there. So it's going to be divided by 2. So that question mark there, our variable, is 1 centimeter. So now this is really interesting because we've got a triangle here that if we flip this one up here, we've got another triangle that makes a box. A box where we know one side is 1 centimeter. And we know the other side is going to be half of 4.5, which is 2.25. I know what 1 times 2.25 is going to be an area here. Let's make that red. An area here of 2.25 centimeters squared. But I've got another box over here that I can make if I flip this triangle up as well. And that one also is going to be 2.25 centimeters squared. 2.25 plus 2.25 is 4.5 centimeters squared. But I got to add that to what the inside box was. So let's do that. 11.25 plus 4.5, and we have a total area of 15.75 centimeters squared. That's my total area. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but that's how I figured this one out.